probably going to be a little nosy, but it's because I like to learn.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm one of those weird women that...
Oh no, I think it's good, honestly.
My dad wasn't mechanically or electrically or in any other way. So when I was a kid, he made me do all that stuff. And then I just got it. Marginally so, but still. Just enough to try to do some shit around my own house.
I think that's good.
See, I would have thought you went from the back. I didn't know you went from the front.
Yeah, most of these new machines are all from the front.
It makes it easier.
Yeah, sometimes, definitely.
This thing has been really bad about not actually blowing the lint out, so I clean it every time.
Well, you're supposed to clean the filter every time.
Yeah, no, I do, but I mean, I have to clean around it and on the gasket there and the door and everything. I would never buy another Electrolux. And
honestly, they all do that.
oh, they all do it.
Yeah, it's just how they are. Lint, it sticks to everything, you know.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and our thing is, our vent isn't that's not the outside wall.
Oh.
It goes through a closet and then a bathroom. I don't think that helps either.
Yeah, that definitely is not helping. Cause yeah, when it's on the other side of the wall, there's like no resistance, so more lint can go out. So that definitely.
I wonder if I could put an exhaust fan on the other end of that vent to help blow it out.
That would be interesting.
It'd have to be wired so it would come on when this blows. Huh. That would be interesting. I may have to think about that. Oh, just an inline fan, you know?
Yeah.
Although the lint will get caught in that fan, that's probably not going to work. You have to have and have it set up on the outside so you can have a filter before the fan and then clean that regularly.
Yeah.
And clean the fan.
You probably would.
And put it back in. Because otherwise all that lint would just get on the fan and create a mess, probably. But you could have like pretty, it wouldn't take a tight mesh. Huh.
Some people, yeah, they put pantyhoses on it and stuff.
Be a manufacturing problem with it only being less than 4 months before it started doing that. You think?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to diagnose it right now.
Yeah, after I let my old dryer be held off. Here you go, sweetheart. I know you didn't get too much shower. Let me know. Yeah, I'm not sure. There are a lot of people that come out.
Yeah, I mean, from what I hear, there's hardly any. I know, yeah. People tell me that all the time.
Yeah, well, I wish I did live out here. If it was where I could afford to buy. We had to buy this place at the bottom of the market and out here to be able to afford a house big enough and situated enough where we could adapt it for his wheelchair.
Yeah.
It's quite the challenge trying to shop. I like older houses, but you can't. They're not very easily adapted. So
yeah.
stuck in a housing tract, which we were moved from, you know, a woodlot. I don't really like housing tracts, but I'd rather have a little bit of property.
Mm-hmm.
Would you call my phone so I can find it online? I'm hearing it in here in the kitchen. Okay, I got it. Black on black. Thank you, sweetie. Yeah, Sears has a pretty good reputation.
Oh, yeah.
He's going way back, you know. I mean, my mom and dad even. What's the name of the company again? Wow. Well, they don't have the same reputation at all. Yeah. They don't get good reviews as far as workers working for them.
Oh, and yeah, I'm the only one. But I just like doing this kind of work, you know.
lot of Better Business Bureau complaints too, but the labor ones are the ones that pop up real fast. My husband and I used to do union work, so we kind of pay attention to the labor stuff.
Alright, well, let's plug it back in, see if it sounds any better.
But all we did was take it apart, look at it, put it back together, right? I
Well,
mean, sometimes that works.
Yeah, I lubed up some things in there, but
sometimes that will work.
let's see. There you go. Yeah, you'd be surprised a lot of the times, like you said, you take it apart, put it back together, and then it, if I had to guess, I might think it was like some kind of a resonance, like vibration, you know.
That was a loud scream.